It's Monday morning, it's been a weekend, we've got weekend orders to send out, had a really strong weekend of sales. The only catch is they're not easy, most of them. Heavy boxes, going to take care of packaging, but with the extra carrying packaging, we've got strong prices and some really cool items going out. Check it out. So welcome back to the channel, Tatsters. Welcome back to the unit, which may not be for very much longer. Exclusive there. We'll come on to that in future videos. But my name is Robjohns. This channel is retro reselling, and I buy and sell stuff from charity shops, boot sales, etc. Sell them online, eBay, Depop, Amazon, Facebook, wherever I can sell it for a profit. That's my full-time business. This is where I do it from. Like I said, got some orders going out Monday morning now. We've got 10 orders going out for £611.28. So quite a strong day, £300 Sunday and Saturday. If you are newish to the channel and you haven't seen this type of video, then I film with a GoPro and I have this contraption here, strap to my head, my point of view on picking out orders from the unit, and then obviously show you what it is, where I got it from, how much I spent, what it's sold for, and then hopefully you can learn stuff. So you can go out there in the field and look from yourself. Hints and tips, all that good stuff. Let's get going. Ow. Right, let's get going with one of the easier things to send out. A couple of cameras. I've sold them together. Yeah, two of the same camera or similar. Got Olympus AF10 and Olympus AF10 Super. These usually go for like £40 to £50 on their own. These two both had battery corrosion. Tried a couple of batteries out, tried to clean it, but it wasn't having it, both of them. They only owe me £2 each, so £4 all in. Even faulty, obviously put it in the description, put it in the photos, like the decay or the rust to the battery compartments. Someone's bought the two for £19.99 plus £2.99 postage, so £4 to 20. So made a nice healthy profit. So there you go. Just because an item is faulty, these could be going to someone that knows exactly how to fix these up. So they've spent 20, they could get £100 potentially back if they know what they're doing. Got a cat feeder, Catmate C50. This hasn't been listed for very long at all. I believe I got this in a charity shop for like £2 or £3. I've already taped it up there. But it's basically an automatic feeder. You can put your food in, put a timer on, and then it opens when the timer hits. Like 5 different meals for a cat if you go away for a weekend. Yeah, these used to go for a little bit more, the C50s. I used to get a sort of 35 to 40. This one's gone for £22.94. So I've obviously sent out an offer to watchers of probably 15% off. Someone's taken it. Yeah, I think it was £3 or £4, something like that. £22.94 plus the postage is £3.99. So nice money maker there, nothing too special. Another gamble which didn't pay off as well. Got this sort of night vision lens. This was from Hi-Fi Guy actually, and he did admit to me like he didn't know if it was working, he hadn't tested it. Within the deal, owes me about £30, I think it was. This Moonlight Night Vision NV100. Yeah, I tried to get it working, put a battery in, couldn't seem to turn it on. So again, listed it as faulty for parts or to be repaired. Sold for £49.99 plus £3.99 postage, so still made a little bit of profit. If it was working, it would have been like over £100 easily. But for £50 for something that's broken, again, someone could know what they're doing. They probably enjoy fixing things up. So there you go, 2 examples there of selling broken items basically, and still making money. Got a cheapy item now. This owes me 50 pence piece. This is from a midweek boot sale. Got a Pokemon Ruby and Pokemon Sapphire, what's it called, trainer's guide for the Game Boy Advance game. It is in rough condition. Again, put in plenty of pictures so people aren't surprised that the condition isn't very good. Got creases, it's dog-eared, missing bits on the spine, but all the pages are intact. So if you are just interested in the strategy guide for the games, then that's what you need it for. Probably not very much of a collector's piece because, yeah, like I said, not a very good example. But 50p paid. It's gone for £9.99 plus £1.99 postage. Should go easily as a large letter. So yeah, from 50p, plenty of profit made. Right, golf club. We've got tailor-made 5-wood left-handed. Tailor-made 5-wood left-handed. I believe it's this one. Take this off. Tailor-made 5-wood left-handed. Yep, here we go. A golf club. Something a bit different. I think this one owes me Checking here, £15 from a boot sale, listed in September. I believe this is its first cycle. Obviously comes with its like sock head thing. Nice little tag, nice grip. If you are selling golf clubs, take a picture of the grip, because obviously these will need changing over time. They get worn and it's like a bit of a fiddly job to do yourself, or you have to pay to get someone else to do it. Also with golf clubs, there's the flex. So I think like when you hit it, it depends how much this flex is. I don't know. I can't get that technical into golf, but this is a regular flex. I think you can get stiff as well. I'm not sure of the other ones, but that's always handy, because you will get questions with people interested, what is the flex, but that's what that is. Really good condition, cleaned it up. I clean them up using magic erasers, bit of elbow grease, spray it on the magic eraser sponge, give it a good scrub, and that comes up real nice. Obviously left-handed as well, so make sure that was well advertised. And this £15 item has gone for £59.99 plus £6.99 postage. Obviously it's a longer thing, very light. But yeah, just make sure we take good care of it, make sure it doesn't get bent in the post or anything. Yeah, real good markup there. Oh, this was a nice chunky sale. And the light's gone off. Of course it does. Does it once a video. Go, lights back on. And we are heading over... Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Nice chunky sale. Got this at Philips steam generator iron. The compartment for the water. It's got this like threaded ribbon lead. That's where the steam comes through. Main plug. Nice and clean. Sometimes these could be rusted and lime scaled, but this one's looking good. Yeah, this one has gone for £150. Really strong sale there. Plus £6.99 postage again. Obviously not as long as the golf club, but this one is a bit weighty. Gonna have it in a big box, but £150. Really strong sale. These can be worth a lot of money. You can get cheaper ones as well, so sort of 40-50 pounders, but yeah, £150. This is like a top end one. Perfect Care Elite by Philips. Nice looking machine. Standard VHS player, Sony SE210. Sony SE210. Here's the VHS player section. Right, I got this down, got two at the same time actually. Saw this one sold as well. We'll start with this one. No remote or anything, just the unit on its own. Sony SLV SE210. Just a Smart Engine VHS player. Just as it stands, paid £5 from a boot sale. This one apparently was listed in April, so this has been around for a long time, which is really unusual. They usually go quick even without the remote, so that's surprising. But it's gone for £28 plus £6.99 postage. Bread and butter. Well, I would say bread and butter, but normally if something's a bit more bread and butter, it should be selling quick. But April, yeah, longer than I'd like to, but it's gone. I'm not sure how that lingered for so long. This one sold quick, listed in October, and this was from the boot sale when we was away. We went to Skylark boot sale. This one has got the remote actually. If I quickly grab that, I keep them separate. Should be in here. This one. Oh, also with the HDMI cable, which is handy. Paid £15 for this one. When I was like quickly trying to look it up, I thought I was going to get about £50. But this exact model was only going for sort of 25-30, which was quite surprising. But I still chanced £35.99, and I got that. So I got a bit more than the average, which is really cool. This probably helps having the lead with it and the remote. So £15 to £35.99 plus the postage. Not amazing. Thought I'd get a bit more, but still profit to be made. Nice and light actually, so it shouldn't be too much of a pain to pack. So that was nice, and it sold quick as well. Another beastie sale, and a very beastie item as well. Yamaha receiver. It's just down here. It's a heavy thing. I think I paid up for this one. I think I had to pay £40 at the boot sale, but it's in really good condition. This one again has got its remote control, which we'll quickly grab. Again, just up here. This one here. This was listed in October as well, so again, sold within a few days. Paid £40, listed literally last week, and it's already sold. Sent offers out to watchers, and it has gone for £127.50p plus £6.99 postage. Yeah, it is a beast of a machine. Natural sound AV receiver in really nice condition. Obviously got its remote, which always helps. It's an up-to-date one. It's got HDMI's 5 there. So again, paying up for the right thing. I was umming and ahhing for a while, paying £40. But when I looked up solds and I knew it was in good condition, so I took a punt. If it wasn't working and it was faulty, again, we can make money from faulty items. Probably get my money back, £40–50 for parts. Working, complete, £127.50. Epic. And the last and most awkward item that's going to be to pack up and send is a trolley. Just down here. This is the Rolls Royce of granny trolleys, as I always say. Here we go, folds up, just a nice square trolley. Ow, let me caught my fingers in. The Trolley 2000, nice big storage area, very nice. These used to sell really quick, like a year or so ago. I'd pick these up and sell them instantly for £50 within a week. They've been lingering around this year for some reason, which is a bit unusual, but paid 10 for this, listed in September. The one I had before this literally stuck around for about 3 or 4 months, which was really annoying, even though I was one of the cheapest. So yeah, I'm not sure why. But this one here has gone for £49.99, so again £50, £9.99 postage, because obviously once it's folded up it's going to be a big one to pack. This will go parcel force and it will cost about a tenner. I can drop it off. I've got a local parcel force depot, so that's not a problem. Got nice big boxes, got huge boxes here, like wardrobe boxes, so I can use that, wrap it up, send it on its way. And that is all my sales. It's £600 worth of sales. But like I said at the start, I'm gonna have to work for my money, especially that trolley. Always a pain in the bum to pack, but decent money, 10 to 50 plus the postage. And then we've got a couple of big hitters. We've got the receiver, we've got the iron as well, £150, the biggest sale of the weekend, I believe. Really nice. And a golf club, something a bit different. So yeah, selling the vintage, retro, unusual, quirky here from the storage unit. Actually, I had a bit of a pit stop in between picking them and got a parcel from a subscriber, from Luke. So well timed, Luke. Got this Dr. Martens DM's sort of desk. I think it was from a shop, like they put it on the counter, but it's going to go nicely on my desk. So thanks so much, Luke, really appreciate it. He also sent a note with a £10 note in, which is really nice. It'd be really cool to see the signing one of the videos. So here we go, Luke, the first day that it turns up, it's made its appearance. So he'll be sitting proudly there. Also, he's made a donation, a kind donation, £10 to one of my fundraising causes from the half marathon. So thanks so much, mate. Thanks again. This will go into the pink ribble one. Prostate cancer made its £500 target, which is really cool. Thanks so much again. Just short. I think we're about 80, probably £70 short now once I put that in. So nearly there. If you did want to donate, again, I'll try and put the link down below. See if we can make 500 each for each charity. But yeah. Over £900 raised. Absolutely awesome. Thanks so much, everyone. I'm down to do the next half marathon in March, actually. So I best keep running. Yeah, that's me done. I now just got to pack it all. So thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If you are new here, did enjoy it, consider subscribing. Also hit like down below. Like the video. Helps boost it up the listings, like on eBay. So yeah, do me a favour. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.